I guess it's sunflower-like. Oh, kakaiba to, diba? Tumutubo siya pag may ibang halaman. Diba dapat nakukompete sila sa sunlight, sa root, minerals, that they get. Pero, ayan, tumubo pa rin siya, diba? Siguro na kasi exposure sa sunlight outside. Look at the flowers. It's a sunflower. Guess? Pero hindi naman siya black yung ano niya. Pero it's a sunflower. Look at the leaves. Sunflower. Look at its leaves. It's a sunflower. Look at that. So amazing. So yellow. It comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 petals.